Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. The innovations at GoSun Stove are continuing. Founder Patrick Sherwin has built a company around the concept of using the sun's energy to cook meals completely off-grid, using reflectors that focus on an evacuated tube that surround a cooking tray. The largest model, the GoSun Grill, does an amazing job, has enough capacity for food for a typical family, and even keeps the food warm once you're done cooking. Now Sherwin's hybrid solar and electric oven is being manufactured to arrive this summer and can cook indoors or out and even on the road. And a solar cooler is on the way too.
We're able to store enough energy and keep the compressor highly efficient and well insulated. Keep the compressor running all day with just a little 2-pound lithium-ion battery.
Stay tuned and follow along at gosun.co. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Now this. How many companies out there have continued to innovate when it comes to building a better radio? I'm Fred Fishkin, host of Techstination, and I'm here to tell you about the new CC Skywave SSB radio from the wonderful people at C-Crane. Bob and his crew really love radio, and it shows in this new compact model that is packed with features. Beyond great AM and FM reception and sound, you can tune into shortwave signals from around the world, listen to ham radio operators, aviation, and more. It's the radio you'll turn to every day, and in emergencies. It will run for nearly 3 days on just 2 AA batteries. Pair the sleep timer with the new Soft Speaker 3, and you've got the perfect radio for your nightstand. Of course, it can wake you up too. Click on C-Crane at Techstination.com and put in the code Techstination for a free flashlight with your order. They love radio, and you'll love C-Crane.